Hello, I'm going to be doing another burping lesson for y'all, but today I'm going to drink Coca-Cola instead of Dr. Pepper so y'all can see the difference in my burp. Okay, here we go.
There are two kinds of birds, my friend. Those are coming by the door. Those are coming by the window.
Can't burp.
Take off that pistol belt. It's empty. There was a storm too.
It's not working. Get another drink.
That could be cannon fire. Cannon fire or storm is all the same to you. You ever see this before, my friend? Throw it over the roof, please. That's it.
That was a good one.
Now get on that. That's right. Now make sure the rope is tight. It's got to hold the weight of a pig. Now put the rope around your
Let's
neck.
try this again.
That's very good. It's too big for your neck, huh? We'll fix that right away. I have another system. A little different than yours. I don't shoot the rope. I shoot the Adios.
Oh. I'm not getting very good burps. Or am I? You're gonna go for a look inside your mouth what it looks like when you burp. Hold on, that wasn't a good one. It's almost gone and I haven't got very many burps. Okay. Well, I hope you like this burping lesson. I'm gonna let you go. Bye-bye.